In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Drive effectively, whether you're using it through a web browser or as a desktop application. Understanding how to navigate and utilize its features can greatly improve your productivity and ease document management. Let's dive into the steps. First, let's start with using Google Drive in a web browser, which is accessible from any computer with internet access. Open your preferred web browser and type in the following URL, drive.google.com. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you will need to log in with your Google account credentials. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all the files and folders associated with your account. Once logged in, you will be greeted by a dashboard displaying your files, folders, and any shared drives you have access to. The interface is user-friendly, designed to make navigation straightforward. If you want to create new files or folders, or perhaps upload existing ones from your computer, simply click the New button on the left-hand side. This button is your gateway to organizing your online storage space. Now, let's discuss using Google Drive for desktop, which is perfect for those who prefer to have easy access to their Drive content directly from their computer. The first step is to head over to the Google Drive website to download the Drive for Desktop application. This is a quick and simple process designed to get you up and running in no time. Once you have downloaded the application, proceed with the installation on your computer. It's a straightforward installation process similar to any other software. After it's installed, open the Drive app and sign in with your Google account just like you did on the web. This will link the desktop app to your account, syncing your files and folders. Next, you will be prompted to select which folders you wish to sync between your computer and Google Drive. Here you can choose the folders that are most essential, saving space by not syncing everything. This selection ensures that only the most relevant files are readily accessible from both your computer's File Explorer and your Google Drive Online. Once you complete the setup, all synced files and folders will appear in your computer's File Explorer. This feature allows you to easily drag and drop files into your Google Drive, edit them offline, and they will automatically update once your computer is connected to the internet again. This seamless integration makes the Google Drive desktop application a powerful tool for managing your files on the go. And that's it. You now know how to run Google Drive using both the web and desktop versions. By following these steps, you can make the most out of this versatile storage service. Thanks for watching, stay productive, and see you in the next video.